Hey guys, today I'm going to show you 3 main secrets of growing a successful YouTube channel in 2021. So in case you're new here, my name is Gloria and I'm here to help you grow a successful YouTube channel in 2021. So don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads because I got your back. First and most importantly, niche down. Like try to get a specific audience for yourself. If you know you're doing growth videos like me, do growth videos. If you're doing cooking videos, do cooking videos so that you target a specific audience that are going to, continue liking your channel and they're going to be coming back time and again for the same reason. So instead of appealing to everyone, try to get a specific audience for your niche, and then you do yourself a favor by doing so much videos regarding that very niche so that YouTube can recommend your videos to other people who are interested in that topic or that very niche. As you know, getting views, more views will turn those views into subscribers, and therefore your channel will grow from small to big YouTube channel. The second is be consistent. Guys, consistency is key, because if you upload like twice a week and then you go away like for some good time when your subscribers are not hearing anything from you or you're not uploading anything, they will start watching videos from other creators with the same niche as you, and later on you'll find that you have lost all your subscribers. Even if you have not lost all of them, your views will go down. They will never be the same like those ones that you had built before. So consistency help your subscribers to anticipate when you're going to upload, and also to like expect more from you. Even the algorithm in itself will also help. Third one, focus on the quality of content. Time and again, YouTube has determined that viewers don't pay much attention to quality of videos, but they decide to watch based on their interest and passion. So you don't need to be that fancy, especially in the beginning. Just try to provide quality value for your viewers and your subscribers, and serve them high quality content. Before getting to bonus tip, let me just know how many of you have just started their YouTube channel this 2021. Please leave a comment in the comment section below. I would love to know from you. Our bonus point is here. So create series of videos. Talk about the same subject, going in depth with different videos. This is because YouTube always want to show as many videos to its users. So if you create multiple and different videos, your videos will get recommended by YouTube to other people and very many people. So this will promote your channel to grow faster and also get you more views in your channel. And if you make related videos, it gives people more content to watch in your channel, and that will promote your channel to grow faster because it gives you more watch time and also more views, which will turn into subscribers. So that's it for today's video. So don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the bell icon so that you don't miss any of my upcoming uploads. And also don't forget to put in the comment section the number of subscribers you have. See you in my next one. Bye.